Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my plan with me for October 21st through October 27th. I already have my full boxes and my washi down. I decided to do that just for ease of editing this video. I'm hoping to get this done and up really quickly. It's Sunday afternoon and I'm really hoping to just get it done. So I'm using this planner cake kit. It's kit 174 and it's called Fall Foliage. So of course I always have the full box half box sheet and the hourly personal sampler sheet, and then these are the stickers that I pulled from my collection. Any stickers will be in the description box down below in order of how they were used Monday through Sunday. So the first thing that I'm going to be putting down, my husband is going out of town, and so I'm going to be using one of the quarter boxes. I think I'm going to use this, like, that orange one, and then I'm going to just say pre-command. I'm going to draw a little arrow, and that is on Monday, or starting on Monday. And then also on Monday, I have this video going up. I'm just going to do the Monday through Wednesday. Let's see. I'm going to do these plan with me. And then I was supposed to have a video going up on Thursday, my October notes page, but I'm not sure if that's going to be the case. I'm kind of not feeling it, my notes pages anymore. I don't know. I'm going through some planning crises because I really want to be in my happy planner, but I'm still using my Erin Condren. Anyway, so I'm not sure what Thursday's video will be, and I'm not even sure if I'll have a Saturday video either. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to just put up the two stickers just in case I do. When my husband is out of town, it's difficult to film, hence why I'm literally filming this what feels like at the last minute. I'm going to put down my weekend banner while I'm over here as well. I don't know. It's so strange. My child did not go to sleep well last night. He just did not want to go to sleep, and as soon as I'd put him down, his eyes would like pop open. I don't know. So that's on Tuesday. I have a doctor's appointment. I'm gonna use this cute one with the stethoscope icon. And I have a gastro appointment on Tuesday at 9. Let's see. Then Wednesday, got nothing. So truly, I don't have much Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, I have a day off, and I'm so excited. I have a massage scheduled, and it's going to be fantastic. So in my school district, I am considered support staff. And so students are off Thursday, Friday, and Monday. And because it's professional development for teachers. And so I only have to be at work I have to be at work Thursday and Monday of next week. But Friday is a day off. And so I have a massage scheduled. I'm so excited. It is at 9:15. Yes, 9:15. I'm going to put, I think that deserves a quarter or a half, quarter box. 9:15 a.m. massage. And I am planning on going a little early. They have this really relaxing room that you can sit in beforehand and kind of afterwards and just kind of be. And there's no phones allowed. So I think I might even take a book and just sit and read for 15, 20 minutes just by myself in this room. And there's like a water fountain. It's fantastic. So that is Friday morning. And then in the afternoon, I know I want to film. And I am going to use one of these. I'm sorry if you can hear cars. We have the windows open because it's gorgeous out today. I think it's like almost 60 degrees, which in some parts probably is cold to some people, but here, I mean, you could wear no coat. Like it's beautiful out. So I'm going to do film over here, and I know I want to film, I want my little dots here. Okay, I want to film my November monthly from both Happy Planner monthly and EC monthly. And then I think I'm gonna film, I think one of these videos is going to be, I filmed back in September how I meal plan, and I'm finally gonna get it done and edited and thumbnailed and everything, and I'll probably set it to go off Thursday probably, and then I don't know if I'll have a video on Saturday, but I thought about filming like a monthly meal plan a la like Cindy from Llama Letters, because she does a monthly meal plan, but she does it on the monthly version, like monthly of her Erin Condren, but I do all mine electronically. So I thought, well, maybe I should just try dabbling, looking at my schedule for the month and dropping meals in and just seeing if that works. So I don't know. I might film that too. I'm going to put that on here. November meal plan. And then, of course, I want to film. I feel like I'm saying film. I want to film my Plan With Me. And then I also want to film setting up my Christmas Happy Planner. Well, it's not really an entire Happy Planner. It's just a section in my Happy Planner. I bought the Christmas extension pack, and I'll link that video up in a card. I am really excited for Christmas this year because my child will be 1 and he'll actually know what's kind of going on. Like, he's kind of going to get it. So I'm really excited. So that is my laundry list of things to film Friday. I don't know if I'm going to get everything done. I probably won't. My husband's also going to be coming home on Friday, so I don't know. but that is like my ultimate goal. And honestly, I might even choose to film like during the week too, depending on how my child acts. Okay, so I think that's it for Friday. Actually, I'm gonna put meal plan in on Friday. Actually, I'm gonna meal plan on Thursday. I'll put that in the afternoon. And then depending on how things go, I might grocery shop on Friday after my massage. I'm gonna use this one. Okay. So I think that's going to be my whole Friday. And that's fine. Okay, so then Saturday. Actually, I'm going to put clean fridge also on Thursday night. I can clean out the fridge after I wash bottles. Okay. Saturday at 4 o'clock, we have family pictures. One of my child's teachers from school is a photographer on the side, and she's going to take some photos for us. I'm so excited. So that's Saturday. And then at a grocery store in the morning, I think it's 10 to 2, is Boo Fest. And we can dress up in our costumes and kind of go trick-or-treating. So I think we might just dress him up in his costume, kind of do a trial run for Halloween night, and it'll be fun. Why not? Sunday is my husband's birthday. He is turning old. Not really. But I'm going to put this there. And then I also pulled some yellow. Actually, let's do happy birthday. Husband. I'll put the balloons over on the side. And then I might as well use these balloons that come in the kit. And then Sunday night we'll have dinner at my in-laws' house, and yes. Then there's also a Packer game Sunday. Oh, it's a Sunday night game. Okay, I'm going to use this dotted box. It's 7:20 p.m. Packers at Chiefs. I'm gonna just check the Packer game. Ooh, it's 10-21. Packers are winning. And then I think I have okay. Getting confused. Okay, I'm going to put down the number of weeks until Christmas, which is, ooh, we entered the single digits this week. 9 weeks until Christmas. And then I'm going to put down wash brights on Tuesday, wash darks on Thursday, then sheets and towels on Sunday, and we'll wash lights on Friday. Okay. I just have a few random stickers left over. I think these are from when I had this for a different week, which is fine. So, but here's everything that I have left over, all the stickers that I pulled, and then the full boxes and half boxes. Yeah, not a lot. I mean, a considerable amount of stickers left on this sheet, but I do go back in and I do use these stickers, you know, if I have to add something, or I do save all of these stickers and I use them in my Happy Planner. So super excited for that, because I love just kind of sitting and like picking and pulling things from different sheets. So but this is how my week has turned out. I think it's really cute. The weekend is definitely more intense than Monday through Wednesday, which is totally fine. I'm probably going to move some of these filming tasks to earlier in the week. We'll see how it works with my child and how much he sleeps, how much he decides to sleep. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to post videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, although I'm kind of in a video rut until the holidays pick up. So if you want to see anything, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, give me some ideas. Throw something out there. We'll see if I do it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.